Hello Tech Explorers, want to block someone on Telegram? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's do it in just few quick steps. First, open the Telegram app and select the contact you want to block. Once the chat's open, tap on the three line icon at the top right corner to open the user info section. Here, you will see the option to block user. Tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up, so tap block again to confirm. And just like that, the contact is blocked. Have you ever had to block someone on Telegram? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully blocked a contact in Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.